Hi beauties, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. I am so excited because today we're going to be playing around with my favorite makeup ever, drugstore makeup, affordable makeup, makeup that doesn't break the bank and works perfectly amazing. I'm so excited. Before we get started, you guys, make sure that you've already pressed that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Now let me go ahead and stop rambling and let's get into it, yup. Okay, beauties, first things first, I always start with my eyebrows. Well, actually, I think most people do, but I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Soap Brow first. Let me tell you guys, this soap brow is legit my holy grail soap brow. I've tried 3 other soap brows and nothing can hold my brows down the way that this soap brow does. I am completely obsessed, and this is also my second container of it, and I'm gonna need some more very soon. Okay, y'all, I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera because I don't have any drugstore products. I literally went in with my holy grail from Shutup and Slay. This is the brow palette, and like I said before, this baby has like all these pomades in it, and then these are all powders, and it's just an amazing brow palette, and I don't think I'll ever get enough of it, so love it. Now to move on to the eyes today, I have 2 of these really cute gift sets. These are from Milani and they are in collab with Juicyjas. Y'all, these are so freaking cute. And these are kind of like their holiday gift sets. You guys, these are going to retail for $14.97 at Walmart. Each of these sets have a 6-pan eyeshadow palette, a highlighter duo, and even a little lippy. Here are those 2 eyeshadow palettes from each set, and y'all, these are gorgeous. This one is called Like a Dream, and this one is called We Did Something. I think I'm going to be diving into a little bit of both of them today. First things first, before the eyeshadow, I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution Super Base Eyeshadow Primer. Y'all, I think I've said this before, but I never used to use eyeshadow primer before this one, you guys. I used to just use my concealer, and now that I've used this one, I can't get enough of it. I'm just in love. Okay, beauties, and I'm going in with the Like a Dream palette first. These purples are just calling my name. They are so gorgeous. The first shade that I'm going to start with is this really dark purple shade right here. It kind of looks brown on the camera, but it is purple and it's super pretty. And I'm just going to start by putting this shade right in my crease and then blending it upwards a little bit. Okay, y'all, this shade, woo! It is so beautiful. It worked so good, too. Like, that blend, honestly, I'm so in love with Milani shadows. I haven't used a lot of them yet, but I'm just falling in love even more now. You guys, just be careful when you're dipping into this palette. You do not need to press hard. Literally, a little tap goes a long way. Y'all, I'm loving the purple so much that I'm just going to go ahead and dive into that nice purple shade right next to the darker one that we just used. And I'm going to place this one right on top of that one, blending it upwards again as well. This shade is super beautiful. You honestly can't even tell that I barely put it on my eye from the camera, but I can see it and it looks good, y'all. And these shades are blending together like a dream. To fluff out all the edges of this eye look, I'm gonna go in with this one right here. This one is like kind of a really light lilac-y purple shade. Y'all can't even tell on camera. It looks like a nude, but honestly, in the pan, it's like a little purplish. And I'm just taking this shade and buffing it all around this eye look. We're gonna get everything nice and blended together. Okay, beauties, this blend is looking beautiful, but I was trying to go back in with that dark purple shade, and right here, it started getting really super patchy. I'm not sure why. I mean, I'm cutting my crease right there, so I don't really mind it. It's just a little weird. Oh, y'all, look at that cut crease. Look at those shadows. We looking real cute. I know I said that I was going to use both of these palettes, but y'all, I am loving Like a Dream so much that I'm just going to go ahead and finish this eye look off with this palette. Like, these shimmers, look at those. Look at those. The first shimmer that I'm going to dive into is this one right here. This one's the one that's been calling my name the most, I'm not going to lie. And I'm just going to place this shimmer right on my outer cut crease. Y'all. Y'all see that? Y'all, I love this. I love this so much. Milani shimmers are honestly some of my favorites. Y'all, I could sit here and stare at this shimmer all day long. All day long. I am obsessed. But now we are moving along and I'm going into this one right here. I'm sure it's going to impress me just as much as the other one. And I'm going to be placing this one right next to the other shimmer shade we just laid down. Ooh, I had to dip into this one twice, but I finally got it to pick up the way that I wanted. I still feel like I love this shimmer more than I love this shimmer, but nonetheless, stunning. I want to add a little something extra to this cut crease, but I am really debating right now. Do I want glitter or do I want eyeliner? Oh my gosh, the choices. I decided to go in with the Wet n Wild Fantasy Makers glitter liner. Y'all, these are so pretty. I literally grab some every single year when they come out, and I feel like they last you so much longer than just October, which we love. She is giving glam, and I am living for it. Now it is time to get started on the face. Y'all, when it comes to face makeup, ooh, she's the love of my life. The first primer that I'll be diving into today is the NYX Angel Veil Primer. I really love this primer, especially in my T-zone. Y'all, pores can get really big. So I love to do this to reduce some of my big pores right in my T-zone. My holy grail primer for this is usually the Milk Blur Stick, but I honestly believe that this is such a good dupe for it. My skin has really been on the dry side lately, so I really want to go in with a luminous primer right on top of the primer that we just put down. And today I'm going to be going in with the Believe Beauty Pretty and Prime Stay Put Primer. I'm not sure many of you know about Believe Beauty, but if you don't know about Believe Beauty, you need to learn, because Believe Beauty is really that bitch, honestly. I'm not gonna lie, I'm freaking obsessed. Everything from Believe Beauty, I believe, is under $5 too, which is like, what? But yeah, everything is so inexpensive. You can find it at Dollar General, and y'all, I have been in love with everything that I've tried of theirs. Okay, y'all see how much that primer made my skin just light up like a highlighter? I'm here for it. Now for foundation, I'm gonna be going in with the Hard Candy Glamoflauge Full Coverage Foundation. You guys, she's a good one. Y'all, this foundation is so full coverage, it's not even funny, and I believe it's only $5.97 at Walmart. Like, can you beat a $5 foundation? I don't think so. Already though, you can just see that the coverage on this foundation is beautiful. I really hope that going in with a luminous primer will help me out today, because I do feel like this foundation is on the drier side. That's really the only thing that I have not came to like about it, and why I don't use it as much, because I get creasing right in here. But I'm gonna go in with less powder today, and I primed with a luminous primer, so I'm hoping we don't get any creasing. Now I'm going in with a $4.99 concealer. Yes, I said that right, $4.99. This baby is from Wet n Wild Cosmetics, and this is their Incognito concealer. I have mine in the shade Fair Beige, and you guys, this is such a beautiful concealer. I feel like it just lays on your skin so beautifully. I feel like it's not as full coverage though as it claims to be. It is definitely buildable, but not as full coverage right off the bat as I would like it to be, if that makes sense. I am looking real dewy, and honestly, I'm kind of loving it. Now it's time to set the face just a tad, and y'all, look how cute this holiday gift set from Lottie London is. This gift set comes with a mini translucent powder, a mini lip oil, mini blush, and a mini bronzer, y'all. And I just checked online right now at walmart.com. These babies are on sale for only $11.41. Y'all better run. I'm telling you, you better run. For $11.41 though, you really can't beat it. Like, you can almost do a full face of makeup with this right here. I will probably be trying out every single one of these products today. I am just so excited, and I have been really falling in love with Lottie London lately. First things first though, I need to set my face, so I'm going to be going in with the translucent setting powder. Right off the bat, I am a little scared to go in with this. It looks very, very white, and I don't want any ghost face up in here. I'm just gonna tap a little bit of that into that lid real quick. Y'all, this setting powder is stark white. I'm nervous. I'm gonna take my little makeup puff and put some on there. It's really white. I'm so nervous, but I'm just gonna start setting underneath my eyes. It doesn't look too bad. It doesn't look too bad. Not too scary. And it feels like it's like really melting into my skin. Like as soon as I lay it down, the powder kind of just goes away and it's like really melting into the makeup. I kind of love that. I know I say this a lot, but wow, I am super impressed by this powder. Like it was stark white and it was seriously scaring me. I do think that I would probably still have some flashback, you know, if I was to take a picture with like a camera and a flash, but nonetheless, my skin right now, she's looking real good. She's looking real good. Now to bring some dimension back to the face, I'm going to be going in with this cute little Lottie London bronzer. This one is in the shade Sunburst. Y'all, this is so adorable and little. I love it. Diving into that baby, it does look like it's a little bit on the light side, but let's see how this goes. Hello. She goes. She really goes. Ooh, y'all. I thought this bronzer was going to be too light for me, but this is like legit the perfect shade. Like I think this is the exact shade that I need. It is perfection. Now to dive into a little bit of the Lottie London blush. Y'all, I've heard amazing things about Lottie London's blush and I'm a blush lover, so we need to dive into this now. Here is that blush. This one is in the shade Exposed, and I couldn't really tell till I held it up to the camera, but it is an ombre blush, so it's darker up here and it's lighter down here. Okay, wow, y'all. People were not lying when they said Lottie London has like some of the best blush. Because look at that. It is so pretty and you really don't need a lot. A little goes a long way. And before I add highlighter, I always like to go in with my setting spray first. This is a setting spray that used to be my holy grail and I literally haven't dove into it in such a long time. This is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. This came in their holiday set last Christmas and this is literally still full to the top. I don't even know how. I used to love this stuff so much, but I just have so many setting spray now. I pick out a different one every day. I'm probably going to start using this again, you guys, because honestly, this has the best spray out of any setting spray I've ever used. It's an actual mist and it doesn't just shoot out at your face and it just feels amazing and smells amazing. I love this stuff. Okay, y'all, I went ahead and finished up my under eyes. I'm freaking loving this look. I went ahead and went in with the LA Girl Pastel Dream Auto Eyeliner. This one is in the shade Baby Pink and y'all, it was like the perfect icing on the cake for the eyes. Woo! For highlighter today, I'm going to be going in with a newer product from Makeup Revolution. This is part of their Glamour collection, and y'all, this highlighter is beautiful and huge all at the same time. Like, this is going to last me forever. I feel like I'm always absolutely in love with Makeup Revolution's highlighters. They are always so freaking pretty and blinding. Pretty and blinding, baby. Y'all, we are getting so close to the end, we just have to pop on some lashes now and mascara and also some lipstick. For mascara today, I'm going to be going in with the Undone Beauty Indie Lash Mascara. You guys, I received this in a Stratosphere box, I think a couple months ago, and I have just been in love with it ever since. It makes my lashes just look amazing, and you can find Undone Beauty now at Ulta stores. I've been completely falling in love with everything I've tried from them. And literally, as I'm trying to finish up this video, my neighbor just started doing yard work, so if you guys hear a bunch of lawnmowers and all that good stuff in the background, please don't mind. As for the lips today, in the two Milani x Juicyjas holiday gift sets, there comes these little Milani like lip crowns, and honestly, I didn't even know Milani had lip crowns. These are so freaking cool, and I'm definitely trying one on today. I was gonna go in with the purple one, but honestly, it doesn't quite match, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the little nude one. I love a good nude lip. This one is called Can't Even. Girl, I can't even. And this is what it looks like on the inside. You just twist it to get some more. Y'all, these are so cool. I'm so excited. All right, let's try this. Ooh, okay. These are so smooth on the lips, holy cow, and they look matte, which I love. Okay, y'all, I absolutely love, love, love this lip crayon. Like, oh, my lips look so good. The only thing is that it's not very pointy. It comes rounded, so it is a little hard, you know, if you don't outline your lips to like go around, but other than that, They are juicy and they are looking so cute. I honestly feel like nowadays I can't really live without a gloss on my lip. So today I'm going to be going in with the Essence Shine 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 Wet Look Lip Gloss. This is in the shade Behind the Scenes. It's just a clear gloss and y'all, it's one of the best, let me tell you. Alrighty beauties, this is my final look. What do you guys think? I'm obsessed. Overall, I am just completely obsessed with how this turned out, y'all. And the glitter, I'm so glad I went with the glitter instead of the liner. As for all the new products that I've tried today, y'all, I'm in love. Like, can I even say that enough in this video? I'm just freaking in love. Honestly, I didn't expect anything less from Milani. Milani is one of my all-time favorite drugstore brands, and like to be on their PR list is literally still such a dream to me. I cannot thank Milani enough. Also, the Lottie London gift set, like this is so freaking cute. You get 4 things in it, and like honestly, it's almost a full face of makeup for only $11. Like you can't really beat it. To be completely honest with you guys, if you go on my Instagram and look, half the products that I use every day are literally drugstore products. I have fallen in love. You really don't have to break the bank to have good makeup. If you can't tell, some of my favorites from the drugstore are Milani, Makeup Revolution, Wet n Wild, ooh, and so much more. They just have so many amazing products, and if you guys haven't tried anything from them or you want to try things from them, you need to, because the price is amazing, they work amazing, and they're drugstore. It doesn't get any better than that. Also, this has nothing to do with my YouTube channel, but if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, I have 2 giveaways going on right now. I have one giveaway going on with other makeup artists and another giveaway going on with La Luna Cosmetics. So if you guys want a chance to win some free makeup goodies, definitely go check them out. If you beauties enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and how about leaving me a purple heart in the comments this time so I know you stayed here till the end. Other than that, I love you beauties so much. I'm gonna go strut my stuff with my makeup on, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye beauties!